Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on your developer option on your Android device. So first, let's head over to our settings app to confirm if mine is turned on. So to come here to confirm, you have to scroll down to your system option. Then when you click on the system, you scroll up, you see developer option. So as you can see now, mine is turned on. But if you come to this area on your phone and you can't see your developer option turned on, I'm going to be showing you a quick step-by-step guide on how you can get this on your phone. So firstly, go back to your settings, then click on your phone option. So when you're on my phone option, then click on your build number 4 to 5 times. So now as you can see, as I'm clicking on it, it's telling me no need, you are already a developer. That is because I've already clicked on it before. So when you click on it, it's going to ask you for your phone password. That's if you have a password on your lock screen. Then afterwards, you come back here, you're going to see your developer option turned on. So if you feel you don't need the developer option also, you can come back there and click on it to turn it off. Then it would ask you to restart your device. So that's just how you can easily do this. So if you find this video very helpful, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a like.